Good morning.
Good morning.
We're on our way to a harbor somewhere in Friesland to look for a second boat. Yep. Because I got a super cool boat now. So Jochem,
Hello.
he wants one as well, of course. And I'm all in. So we're going to take a look at the first boat. Maybe he buys it, maybe not. I don't know. We will find out later. Do you think?
I like it.
I like it too.
Kind of magical.
Super cool boat.
I really like it. It's got a bit of work. They tell me the outside has been done in last year, 2024. So
The bottom paint.
the bottom paint has been done. We still have the mast. What you call that in English?
Mast.
Mast. So we can go sail as well.
So obviously this boat needs some work. But I don't think it's crazy. The price they're asking is somewhere decent. Can be a bit lower. But this one has a chance, I think. Do you think so?
Yeah, I think so.
So let's see. We still need to take a look at the engine. So let's find out where it is and if it runs and how it runs, of course. How the oil looks, if it's a direct cooling system or if there is a heat exchanger. Let's find out.
Found it.
Volvo Penta. This is the same engine as in my boat. Really reliable. A little bit smoky. Alright, I found the master switch for the power to the engine. Let's try if this old thing will start. I think it sucks on water for the cooling. So, second try. Water?
Yeah. Good stuff. Okay.
So now we have to find out how to turn it off.
Yeah, we got it working.
There must be a lever to pull a cable to shut it down. Engine runs perfect. It's an old 2-cylinder Volvo Penta, really old one. I think it's called an MD2 or something like that. It's the same engine as in my second boat. I got a sailboat as well. That's for sale really soon. Same engine. I got a spare parts engine for this one. So that's good news for Jochem behind the camera. Okay. Jochem is asking now if we can take it for a spin. The owner of the boat is not here, so the harbor master, I think that's the name for this guy, has to decide if we can take it out or not. If we can take it out, we can check all the systems, see if everything works, if the engine performs like it should, and if the gearbox turns forward and backwards. small detail. I hope so, because the weather is nice. It's a nice boat. It's the first boat we're looking at, and something tells me that this is going to be the boat he's going to choose. But that's on Jochem to decide. First, take it for a spin. Okay, we still think the name for havenmeester is harbormaster. The Dutch name for this guy is havenmeester. So we got permission to take it out. The owner of the boat is German, not in the Netherlands. So she said, sure, take it out for a spin. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And I think this is an interesting place to drive around with a boat like this. Let's go.
Your eyes all night under the covers. Your place, my place, it doesn't matter. Has to keep it on the low. Round and round we go. Falling for feeling your skin, the night's getting colder. Falling, holding, it's getting better. No one has to know.
So, what are your thoughts?
Well, I'm happy. I like the boat, and let's go home, reevaluate, and maybe next week we got a new boat. Let's see.
So we are weeks further. Jochem had a lot of thinking to do, negotiations. We had to do a lot of research and more thinking. It's a lot of money, of course. In the meanwhile, we saw a lot of different boats. Bigger, smaller, but in the end, it didn't work out. Nope, just kidding. It's one day later, Jochem just bought the boat and we're here now to bring it home. Yeah! There she is. There's Jochem, grabbing a ladder. So, Jochem is the proud owner of this beautiful ship. We didn't see the bottom of the boat. We thought it was a good boat. So Jochem just went for it, bought the boat. And today we're going to do bottom paint. Tomorrow we're driving her home, sailing her home. Sailing her home, it's a sailboat. So a lot of work for today. Are you happy, Jochem?
Am I?
Woo!
Woohoo! Right now we are removing all the algae, so the paint will attach better when we start working on it.
So for the people that wonder why and how we can do this so quickly, there are a few reasons why. I'm using Scotch Brite pads, so they look like this. They fit on your sander. It makes it really easy to clean all the gunk of your boat. And the second thing is, bottom paint is toxic, really toxic. I don't want to breathe it in, and I also not want to wear a respirator. So it's wet sanding, so nothing gets in your lungs, and I hope it's a good skincare product because I'm covered in it. Anywho, we're gonna do the other side now. We already started. You just saw me doing it with Jochem. So almost done with the other side. And then bottom paint. Easy peasy. So Jochem is taping the waterline now. We're not worrying about the paint here because it's going to be redone anyway. There's a little bit rust on this rail, so that will be fixed in the near future. And obviously that looks like nothing, so that's going to be painted as well. But I think end of the summer
It's gonna look fine.
right. Jochem left. He left.
I left him to do the work.
Yep. That's what I wanted to say. That's what I wanted to say.
Done for today. We did the whole sides, all down below as well. Really happy, really happy.
So, Jochem,
Yeah,
you can do the honors.
I can do the honors. Take the tape.
Shit, the glue of the paint is sticking. Oh no. It's the next day. We're in the car. Mark is bringing us to Woud's End. That's the name of the place where the boat is currently. So, car is over full. Jochem is here.
Hello. Hey.
Let's go to Woud's End. You want to be famous?
No.
Okay, boat is in the water. Next week we're gonna sail the boat from Friesland to the north of Holland over the IJsselmeer, and it will be one episode you don't want to miss.
One hell of a trip.
One hell of a trip. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I really hope to see you next week. See you then.